So here we have the Kia Stonic on a 22 plate. So I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles of the car, which are 8,649. There's a digital readout for the speedometer above that. You can change that information using controls on the steering wheel. There are various different menus available to you, and they are all accessed via the buttons over on the right-hand side just here. We've also got over there our lane departure warning system. We can set our cruise control as well. And then on the left-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls. The phone controls can only be used once you pair the phone to the car. And that is done over on the touchscreen in the center just here. As you can already see, this car also has satellite navigation. We've done a full video showing how Kia's sat-nav works, which you can find on our website and on our YouTube channel as well. Down the bottom here, you've got certain buttons that will take you back to various different menus, and then it becomes touchscreen from there. As you can see, we've got DAB, FM and AM radio all available to us. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. Hit the media button, and all of your options appear up here, including the radio. But we've got Bluetooth audio, USB input. We can listen to our music via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, depending on the phone that you've got. So plenty of ways to listen to music. And if I pop the car into reverse, you'll see the full color reversing camera that goes along with the parking sensors. Working our way down from that, we have climate control. So you can adjust the temperature, you can increase and decrease the fan speed, you can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in, and when you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning on, and it's on when that light shows. Same button to turn it off, or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperature that you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air for you. Any manual adjustment will take auto straight away and allow you to put it back on your own manual settings. Below that, we have a 12-volt charging socket, your USB input. We can turn the parking sensors on and off. We can change the drive mode from normal to eco or sport from here, and whatever mode you're putting it in, you're affecting the driving performance of the car, and you can see the modes up there. And then finally, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.